Well, I just missed the major rain just by seconds. You can see it flooded pretty good. Look at that now, that's some water. But it really rained pretty hard. Didn't get much in here though. It really rained though. Don't have any leaks. Not that you could see it, but well, now this is one. I do have one small leak right here, which is one of the ones. This is the seam that I didn't cover, but the seams that I did cover, they aren't leaking. Yeah, I don't think you can hear me too well. This is about how hard it was earlier, but there was a lot of hail. Yeah, it might have been a little bit harder than this. As you can see, there's a pretty good puddle that sets. The driveway is low right in the middle of the building, and there's a good puddle that sets in. It's not real deep right now. It was deeper earlier, but it drains off fairly quickly. You can see that this drain is working pretty well. Kind of odd the way it spits it out, but it works. This one is working too. Even though you can see here that there's a pretty bad overrun there, and that whole gutter, well, the whole thing doesn't leak, but right there it leaks pretty intensely. I think I'll get in and out of the rain a little. There's our puddle goes straight into the foundation area, and it's pretty good. And even though I've got my thing covered pretty well, it still gets flooded under there.